Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now straight ahead is the Rogers apartment building and we are on Waterloo Avenue. Now we're just giving you an update on the building, but I want to show you guys something. This is Waterloo Avenue. Now that's the Rogers apartment building. It's luxury apartments, luxury. And I want to show you the state of the road. I mean, I'm sure this is an oversight by the government, but it needs to be fixed. Now you have these $1 million apartment buildings, not only this one, but buildings being built. Persons are going to spend millions to buy them, and the government is going to make millions, if not billions, of the transfer tax and the stamp duty when people buy these buildings. And look at the road. Look at the road that these buildings are on. No, this is Waterloo Avenue, and that's the Rogers. I think it's 99 luxury apartments. The government is going to make millions off the transfer tax and stamp duty. But look at the road. And to make matters worse, it's not one high-rise building that's on this road. It's four buildings that are luxury apartments. And look at the state of the road. Now the government announced recently that they're going to be spending, I think, $40 billion to fix roads. Well, Mr. Government, you need to fix this one first. You cannot expect people to be investing these billions of dollars in Jamaica. Billions. Each one of these buildings costs billions. This road alone probably has about $40 billion worth of investment in Jamaica, which is right. That's a good. But you cannot have. Look at the state of the road. No, you guys, I'm sure it's an oversight, but you need to fix it. This is a disgrace. You remember I told you it's not just the Rogers. You have 4 apartment buildings. Straight ahead, that's Genesis 28. Another luxury apartment complex on Waterloo Avenue. And look at it. Very nice. I mean, billions of dollars spent to build this building. Look at it. Nice. And look at the road. Look at the state of the road. This is unbelievable. No, you think that's bad. That's Genesis 28. Look straight ahead. That's Parkhurst. This one is actually finished. People have moved in and this is the road they have to drive on. It's a disgrace. Let's put it this way. We're all impressed with the construction going on, and we're not a political channel, but this road needs to be fixed. Needs to be fixed right away. You cannot have people spending this kind of money. And it's not like the government isn't making money off of it. Every one of these apartments that are sold, the government gets money from, in some form of tax or stamp duty or something. And then over here is another one that's finished. And what you call it? 20 South. And this is one of the roads you can use to get there. There it is. And this is bad. So this road needs to be fixed immediately. And I'm sure the excuse they're going to use is that because of the construction, they're waiting till it's going to be finished. But people are buying these units. Fix it now, and if you have to fix it again, you fix it again. There's too much money on this road in terms of investment for the road to be in a state like this. And it doesn't take much. The problem now is it a parochial road, meaning the parish council, KSAMC must fix it? If that be the case, forget it. Or is this considered a main road where the NWA will fix it? Now you stand a much better chance of the road being fixed quickly if it's the NWA. So that's the building and this is the road. Luxury apartments. And this is what you want to see in Jamaica. This is the kind of progress that You have to admire. And look at the state. The government can't even assist the people by giving them a proper road. So I guess the NWA is part of the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation. So hopefully they can assist. If it's the parochial roads, then that's the KSAMC, and that would be local government. So, and then it's not, because every one of these buildings have to get approved, and the KSAMC or the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation have to approve the plans for these buildings, and they know what's going on, and they really can't fix the road. Imagine over $40 billion being invested in Jamaica on one road with 4 high-rise buildings, and look at the state of the road. That's bad. This is a disgrace. Terrible. This road must be fixed as soon as possible. And I'm not one to get involved in politics, but this is what you want to see. Progress. This is what you call progress for Jamaica. And then this is what the government gives you in return for the progress. This kind of road. So I'm hoping the relevant authorities will put this road as part of that $40 billion that they're going to be spending to improve the roads. This one has to be a priority. There's just way too much money being invested on this road for it to be in such a state. And you notice how many other apartments are on that road, how many other people live there. So, but seriously, if somebody comes to invest in one of these buildings and they have to drive on that road, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good at all. Because a lot of people buy these properties for some to live in, some for Airbnb, and some as just straight rental units. So it needs to be improved. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. I just want to say we're not a political channel. As you guys have been watching, we don't get mixed up in politics, but I think whichever government agency can assist in fixing that road, they should. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day.